Very good evening to all the members who have gathered here for the day 3 FDP session. In today's FDP session, we are going to discuss about implementation of AI in various multidisciplinary specialized areas. So in this presentation, we are going to see some few case studies, how AI supports different cross-domain fields, and what are the huge impact in terms of outcome. That also we are going to discuss in various multi-domain specialization. Before I proceed further, I would like to give away the session objectives for the today's FDP virtual session. First one, we are going to see some of the core concepts of AI, machine learning, and generative AI as a part of FDP for day 3 session, which are all the areas where we can able to use the AI technologies. Then next, identifying the discrimination between conventional research methodology and AI-oriented research methodology. So these are all some of the main aim of today's day 3 FDP session. So based on the objective, now we are going to proceed further in the following slides. Let us begin the theme of presentation. Introduction to AI in multidisciplinary research. In today's scenario, many people, educationalists, even industry personnels, they are marching forward towards multidiscipline specialized projects. And a lot of industry and educational collaboration related projects also focused a larger amount in order to solve a real world practical problems in a less short span of time. So for solving such complex problem, we require a technology expert like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and generative AI. So these technologies supports various data-driven research and innovation work. Why multidisciplinary AI research is more serious nowadays? Why that is required? Everywhere in different cross-domain fields, lot of complex challenges, difficulties are existing. In order to overcome such kind of complex global challenges, we require some assistance or high intellectual knowledgeable expert, that is none other than artificial intelligence, a human supporting assistance. So it can be applied in different areas like integration of AI in healthcare practices, engineering, management, as well as in agricultural applications. So what will be the net outcome use of AI in the above mentioned specialized functions? So it can able to produce more faster output with a better accuracy with zero errors. Now let us discuss the common research framework of AI. So these are the sequential flow of AI methodology. First thing is we need to identify the problem based on the criticalness, and next one, collect the data and try to implement the AI application for the proposed problem application. Then define AI models validate the input information, then go for final implementation and policy making. Let us discuss some few case studies in connection to the AI research workflow. So the first one we are going to discuss how AI can be implemented in medicine, healthcare areas. Here the problem identified, the common core problem identified to be AI-based medical imaging analysis for what early disease prediction. So we need to identify what type of disease present in every individuals. So for that, we require an AI model which can able to perform the medical image analysis and based on which that can able to tell you what are the serious health related issues the individual is facing. So to solve this kind of problems in real time, what are the various knowledge experts required as a cross-domain team? Say doctors, data scientists, and engineers. So they can sit together and make a solution for these kind of problems in real time. So what is the outcome? The huge impact. So using AI in healthcare, it can able to quickly recognize the diagnosis of every individual with reduced error as compared to the human intelligence. Next one is use of AI in smart agriculture. So here the problem identified crop disease detection using image processing method. So this is the problem identified. So what are all the inputs that can be considered for preparing the AI model for smart agriculture? First thing is identifying the quality of the soil mechanics. So using AI model, we can able to test the condition of the soil quality. So who are all the expert members are required? So people from agricultural department, AI assisted engineers, then people from environmental and climate science department. So here the impact of this work is nothing but increased crop yield and better sustainability with reference to the environment. The next case study we are going to see implementation of AI in logistics and supply chain network. Here, the type of problem to be focused, demand forecasting using predictive analytics. So this is the common theme of the problem. So to solve this problem, what are the various resource that is the key input that are needed? Development of various route optimization algorithms. Here we need to minimize the transportation cost by saving the fuel efficiency. So for that purpose, we have to develop various AI optimization algorithm. So this will be able to study the shortest path between the given source and destination in such a way all the end items or the finished commodities can be safely delivered to the final destination point within a shortest identified path. Who are the key collaborators for this type of projects? People from management, engineering personnels, and AI assisted experts. So the impact of this problem, reduction of cost reduction of transportation and efficiency maximization by preserving the wastage of fuel. Now let us see what are all the advantage of using AI in various multidisciplinary research areas. Improved accuracy and precision, Using AI, we can able to improve the solution accuracy with better precision and possibility of getting the research output very quickly, improving the innovation in a much better way, and providing an open platform for better funding opportunities for educators as well as for student members. What are the various challenges and ethical considerations? So, common problems are data privacy concerns that involve algorithmic bias, feeding of wrong data or misaligned information into the system. And to overcome such issues, we have to spend more on high computational cost. For that, we need various experts from different interdisciplinary coordination. So before I complete the today's FDP session, I would like to conclude by presenting AI as a transformative research enabler, which strongly supports various multidisciplinary collaboration oriented projects. And this kind of work has become a more importance today and highly essential for both industry academia connect. Almost all future research hereafter going to be an AI driven and data centric model. Now let us come to the outcomes of 3 days FDP. Before I close the session, I want to consolidate all the 3 days FDP as a quick review. By the end of the third day FDP program, all participants can able to integrate use of AI tools into teaching methodology, research, curriculum design, and various cross-domain collaboration more effectively and ethically without violating the general norms. Now let us see the individual day learning outcomes and practical outcome. The first day, these are our learning outcomes. Participants will be able to understand the core fundamental concepts of AI, machine learning, and generative AI. At the same time, the members can able to differentiate different AI tools for the particular area of usage. Using AI, faculty can able to prepare lesson plans and also smart teaching strategy methods. Apply AI for personalized learning, adaptive content delivery, student engagement analytics. Practical outcome of day one. Faculty can create AI supported teaching learning materials and improve classroom delivery efficiency. And day two learning outcomes as follows here. So participants can able to empower themselves by using AI for literature review automation, research gap identification analysis, citation management, generating research proposals using AI assistance, detecting the plagiarism in the paper by ensuring the ethical AI usage. At the outset, the practical outcome of day two, faculty can able to minimize the research time duration by improving the publication quality, identifying high impact journals more efficiently. Learning outcome of day three. Here, as a part of FDP session for day three, the following are the learning outcomes. Application of AI in various multi-domain specializations such as engineering, healthcare, management, logistics, 5.0, and social sciences. So individuals can able to design various interdisciplinary research proposals using AI assistance, developing AI integrated curriculum model framework, understanding the basics of AI, learning of using AI to handle it more ethically, plan AI-based student projects and innovation lab. So the outcome of day 3, practical outcome, participants can initiate multidisciplinary research projects and AI-enabled academic collaboration in future. What are the common FDP outcome? After completion of the FDP session, almost 80% of the faculty can able to integrate the AI tools into teaching. At least 2 AI-enabled lesson plans per department. Each and every individual faculty can go for implementation in future. Increased research proposal submissions in future by each and every faculty members. Improved Scopus Web of Science publications with a better research visibility and creation of AI research centers and innovation cell by every educational institutions by better collaborating with various industries according to the future need. So from the institutional point of view, what will be the impact? So enhanced digital teaching ecosystem, improved research productivity, strengthening the industry academia collaboration, and preparing the students both mind and as well as physical body by making them strive hard for industry 5.0 and education 5.0. And now we came to the final end of the today's session. I thank all the members for attending the 3 days FDP session through virtual mode. For further future programs, we will meet shortly in another few span of weeks. Once again, I thank all the participants for spending the valuable time in all the 3 days sessions. Thank you all.